Hi, and welcome to TPM's 3-Minute Thursdays. My name is Chris Ivan, and today we're going to look at installing SOLIDWORKS by way of an administrative image. To begin with, I'm going to navigate to the folder where I have saved the media from the SOLIDWORKS website. I could also use the provided DVD. Here, I'm going to find the setup.exe file, right-click on it, and choose Run as Administrator, which will bring up the installation manager, where I can click on administrative image and create new image using default settings. I could also create it using previously saved settings. Then I will choose which products to make part of this image. And I'm going to deselect SOLIDWORKS PDM Client and SOLIDWORKS Motion, for example. Then I'm going to select where I want the image to be saved. Usually it will be a network drive or an external drive. And I will accept the terms and conditions of SOLIDWORKS and click Create Now. This will take a few minutes, so I have time to go grab a cup of coffee. When it's done, I'm going to click on Customize Image, which will bring up the image option editor. And under global settings, I will choose Create New Major Image. And also I will perform a custom uninstall of the previous image. I can choose to clean up the registry entries and also the data folder where the older toolbox is located. In this case, I will keep the older toolbox because I have it customized. Then I'm going to create a diagnostics log for each installation for easy troubleshooting, just in case, and run the installation as administrator by entering the administrator credentials, in case not every user has those as part of their account. Then I will join the SOLIDWORKS customer experience, and I will change the name of the folder where the toolbox is to reflect the 2016 version, and I will enter the correct password for the SQL database for electrical. Then I will choose on which machines to install the software. I'm going to pick the 6 users in the company which use SOLIDWORKS. And because not each of them uses SOLIDWORKS simulation, I will make a group called Simulation Group. And I'm going to drag and drop the 4 simulation users into that group. Then, for the 2 users who do not use simulation, I'm going to deselect SOLIDWORKS simulation from their installation. That way it will not take up the space on their machine and it will not create confusion by allowing them to take away the simulation license from a user who needs it. Here we can see that the top 2 users do not have simulation installed and the 4 in the group have it. Then I'm going to close this and go to the properties of the folder where the image is saved, and I'm going to share this folder with the users who will need it. And in this case, I'm just sharing it with myself because I'm the only person on this domain. And then I'm going to click Done and close the properties window, and I'm going to open the image editor again. And I'm going to choose the way in which I want the software deployed. It can be done manually by the user when they have time, or by an administrator, or it can be done automatically by choosing a particular time. It can be in the future, it can be during the night when the user is not there. You can choose a date and a time for them. The same tool can be used to also uninstall SOLIDWORKS. So I'm going to close this, and we're going to look at an example of the manual installation interface. Here the user has the option to install or uninstall. Alright, thank you for watching TPM's 3-Minute Thursdays.